Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I am your host Crypto Chester. In today's video we are talking about pudgy penguins, Pengu. Okay, so let's break this down from a fundamental perspective and then we're going to be going into the chart to look at this from a technical analysis perspective to see where we can make some money and how essentially we can be trading this asset in the current market that we're in right now. Okay, so looking at this from just a general fundamental perspective right now, you can see that the Pudgy Penguins Pengu is the official coin of Pudgy Penguins, and Pudgy Penguins has become the face of crypto with one of the most influential communities in the industry. From large companies wearing the penguin to being featured in ETF commercials. Okay, it's basically loads of NFTs. It's generally a meme coin as well. But yeah, it's a very strong brand in the space right now. And overall, we have seen this thing basically all-time highing recently, actually. Well, not actually all-time high previously around this level here. But we did see us really climb up to that $2.67 billion market cap, 2.7 there, which was very explosive for Pengu. And from there, we have actually seen quite an aggressive pullback. Now, this pullback is very important. We will be going into it very shortly. So you can see in the last month, down 11%. The last 7 days, up nearly 1%. The last day, basically break even, okay? So we are seeing just a sort of standard uptrend in the last day or so. Markets are not looking too terrible. I would like to see a bit more of a monthly recover, because the monthly open right now from where we currently are is a $2.22 billion market cap, and we're currently sat around a 1.83. So there's a bit of room for growth there to get back to that break even area, which we are all desiring. Okay, if we are to see that grow, if we are to see the price go up to that 2.2 area, then it will be roughly around a 10% correction. Okay, let's go over to the chart and let's see what we're working with today, and let's see how we can actually make some money trading this asset. Before we do that, guys, I want to talk to you about Snorter. Now, Snorter is the next best thing in Solana meme coin trading bot history. Okay, it actually is in competition with all of the other trading bots right now: Soul Trading Bot, Bonk Bot, Banana Gun, Trojan, and you can see that it's absolutely dominating it in terms of competition. Okay, lower fees, faster sniper, live new soul pairs, limit orders, honeypot detection, and also copy trading. Now, not all of these apps currently, not all of these bots currently offer all of these things, whereas Snorter Token, Snorter Bot does. Okay, these guys are about to colonize the Solana meme coin trading bot market, and everyone's going to be using them. Okay, why is that important to us? It's important because they've already raised $3.7 million in their pre-sale. Okay, their pre-sale is basically meaning that you can buy a coin before this ecosystem goes live, and they've raised $3.7 million to basically launch it. Okay, so it's very likely that this is going to catch some serious traction, and we're going to see potentially 10 to 100x on our investment here. So very excited about that. I can't wait to use this bot. If you do want to get involved with it, all you need to do is connect your wallet, Best Wallet, Wallet Connect, MetaMask, or a Base Wallet, and you can actually buy with Solana, or you can buy with your card. Okay, that's Visa, MasterCard. You need to connect your wallet first, and then basically gives it a place for the tokens to go. Okay, that is going to be it for Snorter. Let's get back into the Pengu chart, because that is very important. So you can see here in the last hour, as discussed towards the start of this video, we're seeing a bit of growth. Okay, it's actually seeing quite a nice move to the upside, which is sort of what we're looking for there. In terms of more of the macro, it's still a bit choppy. Okay, we could do better, and what I mean by that is we have got a pretty strong bull flag scenario here. Yeah, pretty strong bull flag scenario here coming down, which you can see from previous price action. Same scenario happens. We have that breakout, and then we run up quite aggressively. Okay. So right now, we're waiting for that breakout. When that breakout comes through at 326, potentially, if it happens in the next few days, then we will see a nice big move right the way back up here. And yeah, it's just looking overall fairly bullish across the board. If we do continue down, which is a potential, guys, we can still do that with Bitcoin doing what it's doing. We're not seeing that much recovery across the board. This would be the target, okay, and it would be roughly on this trend line at some point. If we get down to this trend line at all, I will be buying more. Okay, I'll be DCAing into this because it's a very, very nice buying area here. So I'm just going to slap a buying area in this point here and extend these trend lines and see basically just basically if we do come down to this area, we basically know exactly what we're doing. Okay, it might take a little bit longer. If we get to here, then I'm basically going to double my position because it's an extra confluence that we're going to explode. Okay, that is going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Go check out Snorter token. There's a lot of money to be made there by getting involved with that pre-sale. And yeah, Pengu position looking pretty tight if we do see everything come into fruition. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.